Hi, I'm Nadine Kilsby from Natural Resources Adelaide Mount Lofty Ranges. I'm down by the banks of the River Torrens in the city of Adelaide. River Torrens has suffered from blue-green algae blooms for a while, so we're testing a new technique to look at how we might be able to control this. We're using hydrogen peroxide to try and kill the blue-green algae without killing everything else. Using hydrogen peroxide is quite an exciting new technique because it breaks down only to water and oxygen, which means there's no other chemicals left in the water after we've treated. Well, we're actually doing some good experiments on those. So what we've got is some caged shrimp and some caged snails that we've put in there, and we've left them there for the duration of the test, and we're going to bring them out tomorrow and see what effects we've got. Now, we know from previous trials that they've actually reacted very well, and there's been no effects on those ones as well. We're also looking at little bugs called zooplankton, and they're about this small, and you can only really see them under a microscope. So we've done some testing up and down the river before we started putting the hydrogen peroxide in, and then tomorrow we're going to come in and do some more testing and see if there's any effects on the hydrogen peroxide, so we can really understand that when we're using the hydrogen peroxide, it has a bigger effect on the blue-green algae than it does on all the other little critters. Come back and join us tomorrow and see how the trial's going, when we're going to pick up the cages that have the little bugs in them and see how they went.